Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Walgreens to do deals for the week of 2/21 to 2/27. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start with is these are on sale for this week. 4 for 4. 4 packs of these for $4. There's 40 caplets in here. And these are Tylenol, acetaminophen. And I think they got Motrin. I think they do. But these are on sale, okay? They'll be on sale next week also. That's deal going around. Okay, the next deal we're getting ready to go to is the Revlon deal. Because with Revlon, they have a buy one, get one 50% off. Then you could use a coupon. They'll have coupons on their app, and they also have coupons in the newspaper, I believe. But this is probably the cheapest one for $4.99. Then you're going to get a $5 register reward, not a $3 like we've been getting, but a $5 register reward. So this is going to be a fantastic hot deal. Okay, our next deal is this deal is going to go on again because these are buy two get one free. They're at $6.49. So you're gonna get 3 of these for $4.39 a piece. 12 pack. You know I'm grabbing my pop guys on Sunday. So be ready. Pop my soda. I'm gonna get it. That's deal number 2. Deal number 3. This is going on again. You're gonna have Arizona tea. It is 2 for $1. They was 99 cents, but this is a great deal right here. Deal number 3. Let's go to deal number 4. Okay, you see this tuna creations will be 5 for $5 starting on Sunday, the 21st. That is a good deal because look, they 4 for $6 now, so they'll be $1 a piece on Sunday. That's a great deal. Make sure you grab that, guys. If you are a tuna eater, I don't eat fish. Okay, the Campbell Soup. Now I don't know if it'll be chunky or not, but the Campbell Soup will be 2 for $2. Here it is. It's coming back 2 for 2. Right here, so it's the regular can. Okay, the next deal, which is deal number 5, I believe. These waters are going to be 2 for $4.99 or $2.49 each for a 24 pack of water. We are still in a water crisis in my neighborhood, my town, so I always stack up on water. You see me do it at Sam's Club or Costco or here. Okay, the Scotch tissue will be $5, and also that coupon is still going on, so $1.20 off 5 off coupon, so these will be $3.75. That is a great deal. You could do tissue or paper towel, and I see they have abundance of paper towel, so you could do tissue or paper towel. Now also these will be 2 for $10 right here. That's if you want to grab that. Grab the better deal. Grab the better deal, guy, which is the Scotch for $3.75. Okay, deal number 7. Colgate will be on sale. Colgate will be on a spend 10 get $5 Walgreens cash reward. The Colgate, so you have to spend $10 worth. So I take it these right here will probably be the better deal. Grab those, get the $5 cash. Okay, that's still the deal. Yeah, it's still going on. It says it's ending, but it's not. It's going to be till next week also. The Crest Pro Health, Crest or Oral B is going to be $2.99. We'll have a coupon for $3 off of 2. It's also going to give you a $2.50 register reward. That is a great deal. Also, remember we can stack up. Okay, now listen up, guys. Crest Scope. Crest Scope. Now I don't know if it'll be this one because this is pretty new, but it's going to be one of these scopes right here. Scan it and see which one works best. At $3.99, you're going to use the $3 off coupon, so take your pick, and then you will get a $3 register reward back. Okay, so figure out which one. I think you could do both because one is a scope and one is a pro health, but don't take your chances. Do one first and then try the other one. If it don't work, put it back. Okay, guys, also don't forget to check your clearance tags because we're going to have a lot of clearances going on. Look at that. Those clearances. And clearances last until they go away. So here it is. Look at these. Whitening Gel Refills are $3.39 and they are regular $8. That's a great deal. Now don't forget the Crest Oral B is also included in all of these deals. You can grab the Crest Scope or you can grab the Crest Pro Health. And you also can grab the toothbrush here, right here. You can grab the toothbrushes, which would be $3.99 also. Oh, guys, I love this charcoal toothbrush. I think the kids just like it too, but that's a great deal too. Okay, this time you get $4.50 register reward, but next it'll only be $2.50 register reward. So that actually is a good deal now. Okay, I just gave you what? I just gave you $10 in register reward deals. Also, guys, do you guys see this right here, the 21-day challenge? Get a $5 Visa card with virtual account when you buy the mouthwash. All you have to do is buy one Listerine, and you can get a $5 Visa card for it. That's a good deal. It's called a 21-day challenge, right here. Okay, Palmolive is actually going to be on sale. It's going to be $1.99, but we're going to have a 50 cent off coupon, making these $1.49. This is a fantastic deal. It's a good deal, not a great deal. So let me take the fantastic back. It's a good deal, not a great deal. But if you want to get a bigger bottle of detergent, that's a good one. Okay, guys, I gotta brag because it's back. Right here, this is $6.99. Buy one, get two free. They are usually $6.99 or $5.99, but guess what? We got a coupon for that. Okay, so this is the coupon you'll be using with that Ajax right here. It's $1 off, and it comes out of the Smart Source 131. It expires on the 27th, so you have a week to use this coupon. Okay, buy one, get two free. Okay, that's a good deal. Buy one, get two free. $5.99 for one. You're only going to be able to use one coupon because one coupon only works on the one you're paying for, not the free item. Okay, so our next deal is these. These are $4.99. They're going to still be $4.99. You have a $2 off pod coupon, and they're making these $2.99. So you're going to get this one. Then you're going to go down here. You're going to get this Tide liquid for $4.99. You have a $2 off liquid coupon. Get those two. Use register rewards or points to pay it down. You will pay $5 or about $6 out of pocket for both. I can tell you guys what a great deal this will be right here. If you want to spend, depends on what you want to spend. One of these. We're going to grab two of these. So you're going to have that. All of these. Remember, $5.99 or $4.99 for these. $2.99 each for each one of those. You're going to have 1, 2, 3 of those, 2 of those out of pocket. Pay $10. Use register rewards to pay it down from your Colgate, your Revlon, or your Crest deal, and walk out the door paying zilch. Okay, also honorable mention, guys, we have $1 off Lysol coupon. This is $8.99. So if you need Lysol, use your $1 off coupon. Get it for $7.99. Okay, on that app, you still have a Carefree coupon, and mine is for $5 off. So these are going to be the same price, 2 for $8. They're always that price. Grab those. You can pay $3 for 2 of these. Use points or these register rewards or my Walgreens cash to pay it down. Okay, these are $3.29. Buy one, get one 50% off. Then you got a 50 cent off full tab coupon that you can get to use later. But we have a coupon, so you can use 2 coupons to buy these for cheaper out of pocket. Okay, a deal that I want to tell you guys about that's going to be hot. It is a double dip, I call it. So you're going to buy 2 of these for $8. It's going to automatically give you a $2 register reward back. But if you look in the Unilever, grab the Axe coupon to get the free spray. Use 1 for each one. Get these $2 register reward plus 2 free sprays. That's a great deal. $8 for all of it. 2, 4, 6, 8 a piece. So this is how your deal should look. 1 Axe, 2 Axe body washes and 2 sprays, and you're gonna get a $2 register reward back. This is a great deal and a double deal. Grab that because we've been trying to get these. Okay, So there's another deal. Okay, Nivea body wash, you're back with that. We have a $3 off 2 body wash coupon. Buy 2 of these for $12, pay $10 out of pocket. If you have any register reward or my cash, you can't use that. No. So go ahead on and use, buy. So you can. You can use my Walgreens cash to pay it down, plus get $2 more back, plus use your $3 coupon. That'll be a great deal also. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did, because there's so many deals. I gave you guys $12 in register rewards, easy peasy to get, and $6 in my Walgreens cash, easy peasy to get, guys. Please go and grab these deals. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you did. I will keep these deals coming. I enjoy doing this so much, guys. I'm gonna leave you now. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.